In the UAE, you can file a complaint against your employer with the Ministry of Human Resources and Emiratization, MOHRE, if you believe your rights as an employee have been violated. Here are the common situations in which you can file a complaint with MOHRE. Situations to file a complaint with MOHRE: non-payment of salaries. If your employer has not paid your salary on time or at all, you can file a complaint with MOHRE. Employers are legally required to pay salaries within the specified time frame. As per the UAE labor law, unfair dismissal. If you believe you have been terminated from your job without valid reasons or without following due process, such as giving the required notice period, you can file a complaint. Violation of employment contract. If your employer is not adhering to the terms outlined in your employment contract, such as failing to provide agreed benefits, work hours, or job duties, you can file a complaint. Non-compliance with health and safety regulations. If your employer is not providing a safe working environment or is failing to comply with health and safety regulations that affect your well-being, you can report this to MOHRE. Abuse or harassment. If you are experiencing workplace harassment, verbal abuse, or other forms of mistreatment, you can file a complaint with MOHRE, failure to provide required benefits. If your employer is not providing legally required benefits such as vacation days, sick leave, medical insurance, or end-of-service benefits, you can file a complaint. Violation of working hours or overtime rules. If your employer is making you work beyond the legal working hours without compensation or is not providing overtime pay as per the UAE labor laws, you can raise the issue with MOHRE. Contractual disputes. If there is any dispute related to your employment contract, for example, the employer is not providing a work visa, is violating agreed-upon terms, or changing contract terms without consent, you can seek assistance. How to file a complaint with MOHRE via MOHRE website or app. Go to the MOHRE website, http://www.mohre.gov.in, or download the MOHRE app. Create an account if you don't have one and log in. Select File a Complaint and follow the steps to provide the necessary details, including the nature of the complaint, employer details, and any supporting documents, by phone. You can call the MOHRE hotline at 860 for assistance and to lodge a complaint visit a MOHRE Customer Happiness Center. If you prefer face-to-face communication, you can visit one of the MOHRE centers across the UAE to file your complaint in person. What to expect? MOHRE will review your complaint and will attempt to mediate between you and your employer. They may call your employer to seek clarification or resolve the issue. If MOHRE determines that your employer has violated the law,